All right, what is up, Tycoon? What's up, traders? Super excited for today's video. We're going to take a look at Polygon, all right? Going over the MATIC token, breaking things down on the daily chart. We're also going to look at the weekly chart. If you missed my previous videos, right, what we did was we literally held our major support levels, guys, and we pushed up, got past our breakout level, and hit our bullish price targets to the upside. I gave some really good levels and, kind of broke down how I got those levels, what are some of the strategies that I use. I'll explain that in further detail. Okay. And then we're actually going to take a look at the weekly chart as well as zoom in on, the current setups that we have right now and kind of show you guys what I'm seeing when it comes to Polygon. This is one of my favorite cryptos, and, I'm definitely pretty bullish on them long term. But before we go any further, the content provided on this YouTube channel is for informational and educational purposes only and is not intended to be relied upon as legal, financial, or investment advice. Myself and any individuals that appear on this channel are not registered financial advisors or brokers. Trading in stocks, bonds, cryptos, commodities is all risky and involves a significant risk of loss and is not suitable for all investors. So be sure to read through the full disclaimer. Now we're going to move forward, and this is the weekly chart. So remember, I told you guys we are going to go over the weekly chart. What we have right here, these three yellow lines, these are known as the Fibonacci retracements. We have the 61.8, 50%, and 38.2. And the reason that I look at these three specifically is these are the three most common and well-respected retracement levels. So what we have is we have our swing high connected down to our swing low. As you can see, we had a very aggressive move to the downside. We had a 1, 2, 3, okay, also known as an ABC. The markets tend to move in 3-wave and 5-wave structures. As you can see here, we had a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? And so we got this 1, 2, 3 strong move to the downside, and all of this move up, right? Even if we go up to $1.93, is considered healthy retracement territory. So nothing moves in a straight line down and nothing moves in a straight line up. We could, spot trend continuation by using the fibs by seeing a move down retracement and then continuation of the trend, or a move up retracement continuation of that trend, right? Which is what we got on the daily time frame here. Okay, we actually bounced off of our major retracement levels of support, and then we pushed up higher and continued that uptrend. All right, but if we go back to our weekly chart here, what I want to show you guys again is that $1.63 and $1.93, that is all healthy retracement territory to potentially continue the downtrend. So it's going to be really risky going long up at these levels because, we essentially need to break out past these, flip these to support, and then we have a chance of being bullish above here and retesting some of our previous highs, right? Because that's how you spot trend reversals using the fibs. If you move down, retrace, come up to your retracement levels, and consolidate and break through those retracement levels, you can spot a potential upside reversal. And if you move up, retrace, consolidate, and break through those retracement levels, that's how you can spot a potential downside reversal. So we have this very nice systematic buying channel right now. Okay, you can see on these candles, then up here and up here as well. We're respecting the top of this channel, all right? And on the bottom of this channel, we're respecting this channel as well. And this is very systematic buying, right? This is algorithmic buying with controlled selling, okay? And we're pushing higher, and we're still trading in this channel. We are currently in the lower half of this channel, which is more indicative of bearishness, but we can push up and get back to the top half of this channel very easily. Remember I said markets tend to move in, 5-wave and 3-wave structures. We got a 1, 2, 3 down here, and we did already kind of get a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so we need to be cautious, okay, that if we break this bearish channel or this bullish channel right here, if we get a break, retest, and push lower, there is a strong chance, guys, that we could come down and retest our previous lows. Now, why am I worried about this? Well, if you look at your weekly MACD chart, what we're doing right now is the red line is currently hovering exactly where the blue line is. And whenever you see this red line cross down below, that's typically known as an exit signal. So I'm going to be watching closely to see if we do end up getting an exit signal on the weekly MACD chart. But for now, we're still in this algorithmic buying channel, and there's a strong chance that we can continue to push up higher. All right, now ultimately 132, 163, and 193 are going to be very important resistance levels, and we need to break above those resistance levels, all right, and come up here, consolidate and break out, get a retest, and then we can push higher and look at retesting some of our previous highs. So that is more of a macro sense. If we go back to the daily chart, All right, this is where we're currently at and what we're currently looking at. All right, 1.30 was that breakout level. You can see we closed and opened here on the daily time frame, pulled back, and then we shot right past there and came up to our bullish price target of $1.45. Above there, we have a price target of 164. These are also going to be known as resistance, guys. Not only are they price targets and breakout levels, but they're essentially just resistance. So 130, 145, and 164 are my major areas of resistance to the upside. And then to the downside, if we end up breaking this triangle pattern that we have here currently, and we get a downside break, 92 cents as well as 80 cents are going to be the key areas of support that I'm looking for. We did, hold these levels pretty well in the past. Right, we're going to see, we should get a breakout here sometime soon, within the next week or so, either to the upside, all right, or to the downside. So be paying close attention, all right. Remember the key levels to the upside, remember those key levels to the downside, and hopefully you enjoyed this video, okay? If you did, if you found it useful, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget I do these viewer requests every week, so if you want to see your token or your crypto in the next one, all you got to do is comment down below.